Let's talk about getting paid. For Vendasta partners, smooth, efficient ordering and billing is critical to success. But let's be honest, tracking invoices and payments, managing activations and deactivations, and trying to forecast revenue can be a major challenge. Does this sound familiar? For example, you're busy focusing on delivering amazing digital marketing solutions for your clients, and suddenly you realize a seasonal ad campaign should have ended, but you forgot to stop running the campaign. Now, you have an unhappy client questioning an unexpected charge while you're on the hook for the money you already spent. Or you're trying to create a sales forecast, but you're not quite sure what revenue to expect in the coming months. Without a clear picture of recurring subscriptions and upcoming billing, planning for the future feels like a shot in the dark. These are common pain points for many partners, and they highlight the need for a streamlined, centralized approach to billing. That's where Vendasta's ordering system comes in. Designed specifically for marketing agencies, Vendasta's ordering system simplifies ordering, billing, and payment collection for even the most complex offerings. Made up of sales order management, subscription billing, and Vendasta Payments, brand new updates to this workflow simplify the entire process, from selecting products to collecting payment. With Vendasta's ordering system, you and your team can submit sales orders faster and spend less time on admin. Get paid automatically while building trust through accuracy. Never worry about missing cancellation dates or forgetting to send an invoice again. And last, but certainly not least, you'll be able to make informed decisions to fuel your agency's growth based on comprehensive, easily accessible financial data. In a nutshell, Vendasta's ordering system is a configure, price, quote, or CPQ workflow for marketing agencies designed to simplify and automate ordering, billing, and payment collection. By streamlining your billing processes, increasing reliability, and providing you with the tools to gain a deeper understanding of your revenue, Vendasta's ordering system empowers you to focus on what you do best, growing your business and delivering outstanding results for your clients. Here's how. It starts with creating a sales order, either from an opportunity or directly from the company's record in your Partner Center CRM. When adding products, the system automatically adds any associated products that are required, minimizing errors and saving you time and effort. Let's say a client signs up for a holiday marketing campaign to be run for 3 months. You can now set a specific end date for that product, ensuring you only bill them for the agreed upon period. No more manual adjustments and no more risk of overcharging. At the end of those 3 months, the product will deactivate and billing will cease automatically. The added bonus, you won't be paying wholesale costs for a product you forgot to cancel. Since you can set end dates by line item, products with various end dates can be included in a single order. Including all purchases in one order is more efficient for you and your team. And most importantly, it provides a better purchasing experience for your clients. They'll have one order to approve and one payment each month. Also included in sales orders are all the associated order and fulfillment forms so that you can see what details will be required ahead of time. Want to go retrieve some details for those forms or need to step away for a call when in the middle of creating an order? Go right ahead. Sales order drafts save all progress automatically, and you can easily pick up right where you left off. Once ready, present your clients with one order that clearly lays out everything they are purchasing, for how much and how long. Then, allow them to review and approve before processing payment. By committing to the purchase and providing payment details, they are agreeing to be billed for the length of the contract, paving the way for your agency to build a recurring revenue stream. In addition to a painless purchasing experience, accurate and reliable billing is also key to building strong client relationships. Vendasta's subscription billing has your agency covered. The billing terms and pricing are automatically carried through to subscriptions, so you don't need to manually create invoices or set additional subscriptions moving forward. Each product is automatically deactivated and billing ceased on its scheduled end date, ensuring that both you and your clients are charged for what exactly was agreed to, building their confidence and trust in your services, and saving your team the headache of managing refund requests. Subscription billing is fully integrated with Vendasta Payments to turn accurate billing into getting paid automatically and on time, every time. Collect payments upfront before services are activated to remove the risk of paying wholesale costs for a product before you've received payment from your client. Not only will you get paid when you want, you'll get paid how you want. Set payment methods as desired. Credit card, ACH, and pre-authorized debit are available. Vendasta Payments is powered by Stripe. You can create a new account, or if you're already using Stripe, connect your existing account. With recurring revenue rolling in, all that's left is to plan for the future. Subscriptions log both retail and wholesale transactions. Leverage this data to reconcile monthly finances, project future revenue, allocate resources strategically, and plan for sustainable growth. To recap, Vendasta's ordering system simplifies ordering, billing, and payment collection for even the most complex packaged offering. The latest updates include creating sales orders from opportunities, auto-saving draft orders and having full visibility of applicable order and fulfillment forms during order creation, setting end dates for each product, which will automatically trigger deactivation and stop wholesale billing, submitting orders for approval by the customer or an admin, which will provide you with greater control over your agency's ordering process and efficiently secure purchase agreements from clients. Billing and collecting payment automatically according to end dates, which will build trust with your client base while protecting your bottom line. And connecting your existing Stripe account to Vendasta Payments, which will streamline your ordering processes while preserving your agency's transaction history. Ready to simplify your operations with Vendasta's ordering system? Let's dive in.